In this video, we will see how to map network drives using group policy. So I've logged on to a domain controller with domain admin account. First, open Server Manager, then go to Tools, and then click on Group Policy Management. We will be creating a group policy object. Then we will add the required settings in the group policy object, and then we will link group policy object to the required OU. So first, right click Group Policy Objects, and then click New, then give it a name. So I'll just say mapped drive. Now the group policy object called map drive is created. So right click the group policy object and click on edit. So that will open up group policy management editor. Now we will be adding map drive settings in this group policy object. So for that, navigate to user configuration, then preferences, then go to Windows settings, and then click on the option drive maps. Now right click drive maps, click on new and map drive. Now keep the action as update, and in the location box we need to provide the path to the shared folder that we will be mapping as a network drive. So I already have this folder called marketing, which is already shared. So if you right click the shared folder and go to properties, then go to the sharing tab, and you will be able to see the network path. So you need to copy this network path and then paste the path here. Now select this option reconnect so that whenever user logs out and logs in back to the system, then the network drive will automatically be reconnected. Then you can also set a label for this drive. So this would be the name of the drive that would be displayed on the user system. So I'll just type the same name as that of the folder and then select a drive letter for this network drive. So I'll select the letter M. So the network drive will be displayed as M drive on the user system. Now go to the common tab. Now here select the option run as logged on user. Also select the option item level targeting. So item level targeting will allow you to apply this policy to a specific user or a specific security group. So select item level targeting and then click on targeting option. Here click on new item. I'm going to select security group in this list because in this demo video I will be applying this policy on a security group. Click on the three dots here. Now I already have created a security group called group map drive. So I'm going to apply map drive policy to this particular group so that the policy is applied on all the members of this group. So as of now, there is a single member test user. So the policy will be applied on the test user account. So let me type the group name. And now the group is selected. You could see the domain name and the security group name. If you see the option user in group is selected, what this means is the map drive policy will be applied for all the user accounts in this group. Then click OK and then click apply and OK. So now we have added the map drive settings. So you can close the group policy management editor. Now the next step is to link this group policy object to the OU. So the OU will contain the required user accounts. So in this demo video, I'm going to apply map drive policy to the test user account. And the test user account is part of test OU. So I'm going to link group policy object to the test OU. So right click the required OU and then select the option link an existing GPO. Then here select the GPO that you just now created. So we have created this GPO map drive. So select that and click OK. And now if I go to test OU, I could see map drive GPO in the list. So this completes the configuration on the server side. Now we will log into a Windows 11 computer with the test user account, and we will verify if the map drive is displayed on the Windows 11 computer or not. So now I am on a Windows 11 computer. Let me log in with the test user account. Now if I open File Explorer and then go to this PC, I see under network locations M drive. So this is the drive that we had added through group policy. So this network drive is mapped now through group policy on this Windows 11 computer. After creating the group policy and applying the policy, if you still are not able to see the network drive, then you can log out and log in back with the user account. Since this is a policy that applies on user accounts, when the user logs into the computer, the policy changes are implemented. You can try the steps in this video by yourself and then let me know in the comment section if you are able to push the network drive through group policy. Thank you.